In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok For You page. Essentially, you're going to start getting much better or completely new type of content to be recommended to you on the discovery page. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's go ahead and click on the lower right corner over here. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. Over here, guys, is where things are getting very interesting. So if you scroll down and click on the section content preferences, this is where you essentially will be able to refresh your For You feed. You want to click on that, and essentially what this will do, this will start offering you new types of content from new categories, new creators. This will essentially give you a chance for you to have a better match of what you're interested, because I know sometimes, if not all the times, things that we're getting as recommended are not worthy. So click continue and click refresh our feed. You can reply to them if you want, curiosity, right? You're just curious to see what is going to happen. Then click on continue again. And yes, I am ready to refresh my page. And guess what? It's done. All we gotta do is to go back and let's see what happened. I don't know, guys. Let's see what will happen and how is it going, okay? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and of course follow for more.